most of the area is manufacturing tea here. We got dressed and ready. We're going to head to a tea factory now.
Yeah, we're going to the Damro Tea Factory, which is in Kelly. This is like a 30-minute drive.
Yeah, so it should be good. Nuwara Eliya is very well known for its tea factories and its tea in general. I think most of the area is manufacturing tea here, so I'm excited.
Yeah, me too.
Let's see. I think we'll get a little bit of a tour too. I'm not sure how it works fully, but we'll find out.
So we made it to the factory. Look at the view.
It's so pretty. We've obviously driven past this yesterday and like today, but to actually just stop in and properly take in the view. It's so nice. I guess they're just fields of tea leaves.
Yeah.
All the way up.
All
and a little waterfall.
Beautiful.
Yeah. We're inside. They make white and black tea in this plant, but not the green tea.
Everything manual process. This process will keep it 14 hours. Raining season will be bit long time, 18 hours. Every 5 hours somebody come to here, turning the leaves by the hand. They're putting up and down the leaves. Please, you can see over there, this is the second process for the black tea. You can see the corner, the left side, the round 3 machine, the moving, that's the rolling machine. Rolling, twisting the leaves like that, 20 minutes. If you roll it, the tea inside, the tea cells, it is getting damaged, broken. To start the chemical reaction, the caffeine releasing. The real tea caffeine start from the rolling process.
Didn't expect to see so much. Yeah. Now we're time for taste test.
This uncut bit is very light, soft.
Alright, let's do the tea test.
Black tea.
Yeah, black tea. I mean, it's good.
It's good.
Not as good as Lions tea though.
Yeah.
But they did say they sell this tea to a lot of companies like Lipton, Nestle? No.
I think she mentioned this.
Yeah, Nestle and a few of the other companies, and then they just put it in their own packaging.
I don't know the numbers anymore, but they produce a lot of tea. A lot of it.
Yeah, I think there's 1,000 workers, and every worker, 700 in the fields, and they each pick 20 kg a day. 2 bags. That's a lot of tea. And then, what is it, 5 kg of leaves makes 1 kg of black tea. So that's a lot of tea.
And what impressed me the most is that they really hand pick it, but also the other processes, the manual processes.
Yeah, it's all very manual.
Very
They say to cut with the machine like damages the plant too much,
Yeah.
and then I guess probably the same for the processes as well. It's just too fragile to have machines doing it.
And fun fact, the building here is 200 years old.
Yeah, and the machine.
And the machine, yeah, the oldest machine, still working, is 100 years old.
Yeah, that is quite good. That's impressive, 100 years ago.
Very impressive.
So our tea tour is complete, and now we've come to this stunning place to get some food.
Yes, and I picked up food here last night, and it was very good.
It was, I think, the best food we've had in Sri Lanka so far, and they had gluten-free wraps.
Yeah.
So let's eat. What? Yeah, thank you. Oh, thanks. We ordered so much food that you definitely think we're a bit crazy, but we're so hungry and this was so good last night. And it's starting to come out. I'm so excited. It's my vegetable korma and the like gluten-free wrap so far. First bite of the korma. Some more of the food. We already made a joke to ask if that's enough, right?
We got the last 2 curries.
So that's your tikka masala.
Yeah, my chicken tikka masala.
This one.
And
Chara masala. Chara masala.
can't wait to get started. All that's left.
We ate every last bit.